Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this gorgeous Father's Day card using mixed media technique, and this is a beautiful masculine card you can make for your brothers, your boyfriends or your dad. And I have used lots of techniques to make this lovely card. Since this is a mixed media, so you will going to learn a lot of tips and tricks in this card. So let's get started. First I'm taking this white cardstock which measures 25 by 10 centimeters, and this is having 250 GSM thickness. And then I'm taking this beautiful floral filigree stencil. This is a reverse stencil by iCraft, and I'm going to do some texturing on my base using this stencil. So just sticking tape on both the sides of the stencil so that it will not move while working. And now I am using texture paste on my palette knife and then applying on the design. Here I am using my handmade texture paste. If you want to learn how to create texture paste at home, I have given link in description box, you can check there. But you can also use any ready-made texture paste. So just completely cover all the parts, all minute parts, and don't worry if the paste goes out the design, since this is a mixed media art, so it's all right. Okay, so this is done. And now I am just removing the tape and slowly I will lift the stencil. And you will see the magic in few seconds. Tan-ta-da! Can you see this? How beautiful the design has been printed on the sheet. I'm just loving the effect so much. Now let it dry completely before going ahead. So it's completely dried. Now I'm taking color splash in orange and mocha brown color from Little Birdie and just spraying here and there randomly. Since I wanted to make it like in coffee shades, or you can say in vintage shades, that's why I'm using these color chart. But you can use any color combination of your choice. Now I'm just spraying little water on top of this, so that the color can flow easily on the card. And now just tilt your sheet on left and right sides so that both the color will get mixed with each other and whole design will get covered. And can you see the flowers are looking more beautiful after applying the colors? So beautiful. I'll let it dry completely. Now here I am taking dark chocolate base which measures 20 by 20 centimeter. I have just folded this in half, burnished the folded part properly using bone folder. This sheet is having 250 GSM thickness. And now I am taking gold mirror cardstock which measures 9.5 by 19.5 centimeters, and I am going to adhere this on dark chocolatey cardstock. And then I have cut my textured design at 9 by 19 centimeters. So I'm adhering this on top of the gold mirror cardstock. And the base for the card is ready. Then I am taking my Easy Cuts mini die cut machine and chocolatey cardstock, and using this gear die I am going to die cut. This is very handy machine for small die cutting work. So just removing it, and can you see the design? It's very nice. I am cutting it one more time. I am going to double up each design. That's why I am cutting twice. And now I am just sticking both the designs with each other. Like this. And now I'm taking gold metallic wax and using my fingers I'm just applying on this gear. It will look like real metal after doing the metallic effect. And in the same way I have prepared some more designs using different dyes of gears. So this is one set and I have prepared one more set of same designs and all are doubled. So this is the beautiful gear set by Little Birdie. I have given link in description box for all the items if you want to purchase anything. Now taking back my card and I'm going to decorate this with these gears. So in one corner I am first adding this embossed vellum paper which is embossed using the script embossing pad by Dress My Craft. Since my card base is looking very dark in shade and to settle the palette I have used this vellum paper. So vellums are translucent so you can see the base color as well and also it will mild your palette little bit. And since this is a mixed media so I am using vellum this time. And then I am going to attach these gears randomly here and there. Since this is a masculine card, so I am using gears, keys, the things which are compatible with the men's card. Like this. And now I am adding this beautiful ornamental die cutout for our sentiment, and to give it little height I am adding 3 layers of mount board in bottom side of the ornamental die cutout. So just sticking the stack of mount boards, you can also use cardboard, and then sticking on the right corner like this. And then in the bottom again I am adding some gears here and there. So this is done, and now I have these cute key cutouts. These are made using key dies by Little Birdie, and I have cut in gold mirror cardstock and in black color. So I am adding these keys in the bottom part. Like this. Can you see the shine? It's looking awesome. And then I have used these beautiful dies by Dress My Craft and Little Birdie to cut the center part and the keys. I'm just showing you the dies. So the card is done. Now it's time to decorate with the sentiment. So here I'm adding Love You Dad sentiment on this ornamental die cutout. And now on this corner I am going to add some quilling flowers. So my first flower is Malaysian flower, and for the one petal I am using one strip of mustard yellow color and half strip of brown color and making one Malaysian flower petal. Just wrapping this petal using brown color strip again. Cut the excess strip and secure it with the glue. So now I'm joining total 7 petals together and making the flower. For the center of the flower I have prepared one tight coil which is made using 1.5 strip of brown color, and the flower is ready. In the same way I have prepared one more small flower, and for one petal I have used half strip of mustard yellow and 1/4 strip of brown color, and for the center tight coil I have used one strip of brown color. So we need one big and one small flower with the same procedure. Now I'm starting with making leaf. For this I am taking 2 petals which are already created, and to create third petal I am taking half strip of golden color and 1/4 strip of dark chocolatey color and making one leaf shape. I will join 3 petals to make one leaf. So we need total 2 leaves, and now to start with scroll I am taking one strip of golden color, just cutting from center, again fold it and cut it from center, so you will get 4 1/4 golden strips, and also I am taking 2 1/4 dark chocolatey strips, attaching all together, folding the bunch from center and twisting it in one direction using pointed tweezer. Just open the scroll, cut the excess strip from bottom and secure it using glue. Hold it using tweezer for a few seconds. And your scroll is ready. So we need total 2 scrolls. So all designs are done. Now taking back my card, and I'm going to attach my quilling patterns on the card. Like this. So the beautiful card is ready. It's looking very attractive, and I'm sure you will try this before Father's Day. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm desperately waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.